It is with the new exhaust system. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That sounds beautiful. Yeah. Just got the Jag mufflers on it, so. Mufflers were done by Mesa Exhaust, Mesa Muffler. They did a great job putting the exhaust system on.